From 1 to 100, it's our job to educate about Nebraska's natural resources. The Lower Platte North Natural Resources District provides hands-on activities in forestry, soil, water quality, and more. We work with teachers, youth programs, producers, and others to bring environmental education to tomorrow's leaders. Through our website, newsletter, and social platforms, we provide information about projects and programs going on across our million-acre district and beyond. Conserving and preserving Nebraska's natural resources is important to me and to you, and for the future. We are the Lower Platte North Natural Resources District, working today, conserving for future generations.